welcome back to my channel. It's Fern. Thank you for returning if you're a returning subscriber, and thank you for tuning in for watching if you're new. Today I'm going to tell you how literally I saved my bleached hair with 2 products. And we aren't talking about oils that you buy in Boots, like all the L'Oreal oils, or like hair masks, nothing like that at all. Like 2 products that are salon-based products. They're a bond repairing treatment, so they're not conditioners, they're not masks, they're not hair masks used in the shower, none of that. I don't know yet, I'm just about to tell you. They are Olaplex No. 3 and Olaplex No. 6, the bond smoother. Why are these products so good? Actually repair your hair, like a sort of firm, like film around it or anything like that. They literally rebond your hair back together. If you've got bleached hair or damaged hair from hair dyes or just generally dry hair, then you need to invest in these 2 products. First is the Olaplex No. 3, which is the treatment that you use on your hair before shampooing and conditioning. It's once a month. I dampen my hair and then I basically section my hair and just pop this like everywhere. I leave it in for like 2 to 3 hours. It says 45 minutes, but I like to leave it a little bit longer. They say after 45 minutes it doesn't do any different than what it would do before that. So I just leave it in 3 hours. I then wash it out in the shower with warm water, and then I shampoo and condition it as normal. Again, it's not a mask, it's a bonding treatment. Literally, my hair after using this, it's literally so much smoother, and it's literally just different hair. Like obviously, as you can see, my hair is, I'm blonde anyway, but I have bleach highlights put through it. I don't like high lift tint. I've always had 2 bleaches or 3 bleaches and then a darker blonde, because I find that the bleach just, my hair lifts quite easily anyway, but I just prefer the bleach colour, which obviously means damage to my hair. To damage, because this literally is amazing. I physically cannot live without it. My hair straightens better, it curls better, my hair just feels so much thicker and just like smoother, and all of those split ends just aren't really there anymore. So when I first started using it, I had to use it for about 2 or 3 times to sort of see that difference, to start repairing, but literally it is amazing. It smells really nice as well, but it basically looks like more of a runny conditioner, but it's not a conditioner. And they use it in hair salons, and any hairdresser will tell you that it's literally the only thing that will save your hair. You can buy this from like Beauty Bay or hair salons or the Beauty Works and that sort of thing. I think it's about £24. I get mine from Sally's, so if you have got a Sally's card and you're beauty qualified, then have a look on there. I think it's like £17.50, but literally it is amazing. I like wondering and reading reviews and that sort of thing, then literally invest in it, because it has changed my hair forever, especially if your hair is bleached like mine. It's really helped my hair grow as well. My hair has grown so much because it's not breaking off on the ends of my hair anymore. So literally best thing I've ever invested. The bottle is 100ml, so obviously you need to use it quite sparingly, but if you're going to use it once a month, then it should last you like a year. I've had this bottle since December, so we're June basically now, so it's lasted me 6 months, and I have got a bit left, so it probably lasts me until August, until I need to get a new one. The second product I want to share with you guys is obviously another Olaplex product, but it's No. 6, so it's the bond smoother. So this is what I use after I like blow dry my hair. I use this every time I wash my hair. So I'll blow dry my hair, and then when my hair's like semi-damp, semi-dry, I will literally just take a pea-sized bit of this and feed this through my hair. What this does is it really smooths my hair. It makes it look so shiny and just takes that frizz away, especially where I've got bleach in my hair. It's really helped the appearance of my hair so much, this one, and I literally can't live without it. I started using this, my hair was like looked really dry on the end. It just didn't look very nice. Like, it wasn't smooth, it was frazzled, it was damaged, you could see the split ends. But this is incredible, and again, it's roughly about the same price. All the Olaplex products are roughly the same price, but again, if you go on Sally's website, they are £17 roughly. And this one just says strengthens, hydrates and moisturizes, speeds up blow dry time while smoothing, and eliminates frizzy flyaways for up to 72 hours. This is why I love it, because it just smooths everything, which is what I find. My hair is so frizzy, so if you are listening to this and you have got frizzy hair, this is so good to invest in. But I would definitely recommend getting the number 3 first to try, because it is mainly the bonding treatment that bonds your hair back together. But yes, these are the 2 products I physically cannot live without. I have changed my hair for the better. It says on the bottle, it's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. If anyone else has got bleached hair, you know when you've got like the shorter bits like here and then longer, mine have actually grown a lot since using this, so I would definitely invest in it. I straighten my hair looks smoother and much more silkier, and it actually really weirdly makes my highlights stand out more, because obviously it looks so smooth. If you are looking for something to really help your hair with the dry, damaged, split ends, then go and invest in Olaplex. You will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and a little comment if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and watch any of my other content if you enjoy hair videos or makeup and that sort of thing. Thanks for watching.